want to?
Yeah, I'll talk about it.
Let's talk about your YouTube channel then. How did you start?
I just started filming just stuff at work. Oh, actually, no. I just wanted to grow something. Like I was doing websites and stuff before that. And then my friend stacked his... I was just like some kind of viral video. My friend stacked his motorbike.
I've done that a few times.
He had a big gash on his leg and I filmed it. Ambulance come, I filmed it. I uploaded it. And then I just wanted more videos. And then one day I just I watched this video and it's this guy doing a DIY plastering repair. And he's like really super, like he's got these safety glasses on and he's just doing stuff that's not even unsafe. And he's got like a 5-part series and he's got millions of views and it's just the worst demonstration. I thought, oh, I could do that. It's a bad demonstration, but he's like in like a nice little sort of studio. He's got he doesn't have a suit and tie on, but he's got like nice casual, like nice clothes on. And he's just done this like little bit of work, 30 seconds, and he's drawn out over a 5-part series and each video's got like 7 million. Now he's got 25 million views and everything like that. He's turned his comments off. But why it was so successful.
Is plastering really that interesting? Because I would have thought...
But a lot of people are looking, they want to do it themselves and they search how to do it. And it's worldwide.